Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Jasper with Zapier for automated blog creation step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Jasper account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Next, open a new browser tab and head over to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial. After logging in, click on the Make a Zap button in the upper right corner. In the Trigger App search bar, type and select the app you want to trigger the automation. For example, you can choose Google Sheets or WordPress. Set up the trigger according to your preferences. For instance, if using Google Sheets, select a specific worksheet that contains your blog ideas. Test the trigger to ensure it's working correctly. Now you'll move to the Action section. In the Action app search bar, type and select Jasper. Choose the action event from the drop-down menu. For blog creation, you might select Create Content. Next, connect your Jasper account if you haven't done so already. Authorize Zapier to access your Jasper account. Once connected, you'll be prompted to set up the action. Fill in the required fields, such as title, content type, and any prompts you want Jasper to use. Map the data from your Trigger app to the corresponding fields in Jasper. For instance, link the title from your Google Sheets to the title field in Jasper. You can also set conditions based on your preferences. Once your setup is complete, click on Continue. Test the action to ensure that Jasper creates content correctly using the provided information. Review the test results to confirm the content is generated as expected. After validating the test, give your Zap a name at the top of the screen. Toggle the Zap to on to enable your automation. You have now successfully connected Jasper with Zapier for automated blog creation. To manage or edit your Zap later, return to your dashboard. Congratulations on streamlining your blog creation process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.